Hi guys, here's a small trade breakdown that I've taken on silver. It is currently February 4th, 11 a.m. and I'm currently in silver buys and I'm currently up $2,800. And yeah, this is a breakdown why I entered and where I think silver is going to go moving forward. So recently silver dropped like heavy. Silver and gold recently wiped a lot of people out of the market. But after this huge drop, silver made a support level right here. Price bought back up, making a lower high, but then failed to make a lower low. It failed to break this low, which made a higher low. So once price made this higher low, and we are on the 1 hour time frame, once price made this higher low, that was indication to show me that price might buy back up. So I marked out this level. I trade ICC. So when I marked out this level, I waited for it to get broken, which gave me the indication. And I waited for my correction. And when price got back above this level that I marked, I entered buys right around here, right around 84.315. This is exactly where I entered my buys, targeting this high level. But currently we have broken that high also. This was my first target, and this is where my TP1 should have been, right? But I'm anticipating price to go all the way back up to the all-time highs. And currently we've broken through this level, which means this is a new indication in the market, right? So since this high has been broken, so we've made a lower low, we've made a lower high, we've made a higher low, higher high, currently made a higher low, and we've broken this higher high. So I am expecting price to keep building up, because currently if price is doing this, this is lower low and this is higher low. Higher high, we made a higher low, we've broken this higher high. So I am anticipating price to go up, have some sort of retracement back down to this level, and then buy back up, right? That is ICC. That is what I trade, and that is market structure. So if price is making higher highs and higher lows, let's say the market is in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Once the previous high is taken out, yeah, price will be looking to correct, make a higher low, and then continue up, right? Same for the downtrend. If we are in a downtrend and market is making lower low, lower highs, lower low, and a lower high, and a lower low, once the previous lower low is taken out, right? So this is here. Once this previous lower low is taken out and price makes, once this previous low is taken out and price makes a new low, price will always look to correct, making a lower high and continue back down, right? So I think the downtrend for silver is currently done. This is the 1 hour time frame, and I swing trade. So this was my first TP right around here. But since price has broken above this level, that shows me price is buying. Price might be buying. I will not say price is buying, because we never know for sure. We just have to look at market, see what the market gives us, see what the charts are showing us, and react. But currently I am holding my trades. I entered in around here, which was around 84.315. This is my entry, and this was my first TP, which has been broken. I am going to hold my trades all the way back to up here to the all-time highs, right? I am going to hold and see if price really makes it back all the way up here. So yeah, that is my trade breakdown. Currently I am up $2,800, and yeah, let us see what the market gives us. This is how the chart looks like on the 1 hour, and I really think silver is going to go back all the way to the all-time highs. It might take some time, it might take a couple of weeks, but I feel like silver is going to build all the way back up to the all-time highs. So yeah, let's wait and see. Peace.